In today's video, I am going to be making this full flare skirt. It looks small because I made it for a mannequin. The first thing I'll be doing is taking the measurements for the skirt. The measurement that will be needed are just two. One, the waist measurement, and two, the length measurement. As you can see here, I am taking the waist measurement of the mannequin, which is about 4 inches. Then I am going to take the length of the skirt, which is about 9 inches. I'll be adding 1 inch sewing allowance to that. So you can pause this part if you want, so you can understand the logic here. The waist is 4 inches and I am going to be adding 2 inches for zip allowance and sewing allowance. The length of the skirt is still going to be 10 inches. The total of the waist will now be 6 inches. I'll be dividing 6 inches by 3.14 and that would give us 1.9 inches. I am just going to be approximating that to 2 inches. So for the skirt to have a very full flare, I am just going to divide the 2 inches for the waist by 4 and that is going to give us 0.5 inch. The length of the skirt will still be 10 inches. I am just going to make sure the fabric I am going to cut is 10.5 inches. I am just going to make sure the fabric I am going to cut is 10.5 inches. I will make sure I have double of that because I will be folding the fabric. Here is the fabric I will be using for the skirt. I am just going to go ahead and measure out 10.5 inches across and I'm marking that. I am just going to go ahead and fold that into 2. Then I'll go ahead and measure 10.5 inches straight down and mark it. I will go ahead and fold it into 2 again. As you can see here, the fabric has been folded into 4. I will be marking 0.5 inch for the waist from this corner. From the top, I'll be taking the skirt length measurement, which is 10 inches, and marking it. As you can see here, I am marking that all around from the corner. I will just go ahead and cut it. So this is one piece for the skirt and I am going to be needing 2 pieces for this. So I will be cutting another piece out. You can place the first one you cut out on it and just use that as a pattern to cut out the second piece, or you can just retake the measurement and cut it out. I will just be taking out the measurements again and then cutting it. These are the 2 pieces for the skirt. Here is the waistband I already cut out for the skirt. It is 2 inches by 6 inches. I'll be ruling a straight line. Then I'll go ahead and cut it open. I will be doing the same for the second piece. I will just be joining the 2 pieces together. I am going to make sure the right sides are facing each other before joining. If you're new to my channel, I post DIY videos, sewing tutorials and pattern drafting tutorials. If you want to see more content like this, it will be helpful if you subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up because it will really help me grow my channel. Thank you. Here is the waistband. I will just be folding a 1/4 inch on both sides and ironing it before folding it into two. I will go ahead and pin the waistband to the skirt. I will be fixing the zip off camera. Here is the result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.